Hello everyone. Question is, how does AWS most effectively reduce computing costs for a growing startup company? Option A, it provides on-demand resources for peak users. Option B, it automates the provisioning of individual developer environments. Option C, it automates customer relationship management. Option D, it implements a fixed monthly computing budget. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which Amazon EC2 pricing model offers the most significant discount when compared to on-demand instances? Option A, partial upfront reserved instances for a year term. Option B, all upfront reserved instances for a year term. Option C, all upfront reserved instances for a 3-year term. Option D, no upfront reserved instances for a 3-year term. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to provide one of its employees with access to Amazon RDS. The company also wants to limit the interaction to only the AWS CLI and AWS Software Development Kits SDKs. Which combination of actions should the company take to meet these requirements while following the principles of least privilege? Choose two options. Option A, create an IAM user and provide AWS Management Console access only. Option B, create an IAM user and provide programmatic access only. Option C, create an IAM role and provide AWS Management Console access only. Option D, create an IAM policy with administrator access and attach it to the IAM user. Option E, create an IAM policy with Amazon RDS access and attach it to the IAM user. Correct answer is option B and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, an external auditor has requested that a company provide a list of all its IAM users, including the status of users' credentials and access keys. What is the simplest way to provide this information? Option A, create an IAM user account for the auditor, granting the auditor administrator permissions. Option B, take a screenshot of each user's page in the AWS Management Console, then provide the screenshots to the auditor. Option C, download the IAM credential report, then provide the report to the auditor. Option D, download the AWS Trusted Advisor report, then provide the report to the auditor. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which service would provide network connectivity in a hybrid architecture that includes the AWS cloud? Option A, Amazon VPC. Option B, AWS Direct Connect. Option C, AWS Directory Service. Option D, Amazon API Gateway. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what is the value of using third-party software from AWS Marketplace instead of installing third-party software on Amazon EC2? Choose two options. Option A, users pay for software by the hour or month depending on licensing. Option B, AWS Marketplace enables the user to launch applications with one click. Option C, AWS Marketplace data encryption is managed by a third-party vendor. Option D, AWS Marketplace eliminates the need to upgrade to newer software versions. Option E, users can deploy third-party software without testing. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, according to the AWS shared responsibility model, who is responsible for configuration management? Option A, it is solely the responsibility of the customer. Option B, it is solely the responsibility of AWS. Option C, it is shared between AWS and the customer. Option D, it is not part of the AWS shared responsibility model. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.